So, now we will be learning the next method of reduction of expression, that is known as K-map or Karnaugh map, K-map. So, telling you more about K-map, K-map is a graphical display of the fundamental products in a truth table, or K-map is nothing but it is a rectangular makeup of certain number of squares, where each square represents a min term or a max term. So, just to represent for you a K-map, K-map stands, or it is a rectangular display which either will have, each square will have either a min term or a max term. So, first we will see for min term, that is for sum of products, then we will go for max term, that is product of sum. Okay. First, K-map for SOP, K-map for SOP. Now, K-map for SOP, where each square in the K-map represents a min term number. For example, a 2 variable K-map, a 2 variable K-map, the general K-map of that, the general K-map for the variables x, y, for the variables x, y is represented the following way. X bar, y bar, y. Now, how is it possible? I just told you K-map is nothing but it is a graphical display of the fundamental products in the truth table. Now, 2 variable K-map. In SOP we know that x is equal to 1 and x bar is equal to 0. So, here in this word x bar y bar means it is 0 0, x bar y that is 0 1, x y bar that is 1 0, x y that is 1 1. Same could be written in the number where x y, x bar x, y bar y, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 1 1. So, this is a K-map of SOP for a 2 variable. Now, here I want to tell you one thing. When I want to map a number, for example, f of x y equal to summation of 0 comma 1 comma 3, 0 comma 1 comma 3. This is an example I am taking. So, to draw the K-map, first I will see the number of variables, that is 2, fine. So, I will write here x, I will write here y, x bar x, y bar y. Now, I just told you we need to see where and all I need to place a min term in the square. So, 0 means it is 0 0. So, here I place 1, here I place 1, and next it is 1, 1 means what? It is 0 1, x bar y. Next it is 3, 3 is what? 1 and 1, that is x and y. Because remember here in SOP, x bar means it is 0, x means is equal to 1. Now, having written the min terms inside the squares, appropriate squares as per the given problem, I have two possibilities here. One is pair. Now, what do you mean by pair? Pair is nothing but grouping of two bits. So, this is one pair. One more pair is here. I will write here pair 1 that is x bar y plus x bar y bar plus x bar y. Now, we can understand here x bar is common, y plus y bar which is equal to x bar. This is the answer of this particular pair. The second pair, this is vertical, that is pair 2 x bar y plus x and y. Here what is common? Y is common. So, x plus x bar which is equal to y. Now, two pairs. The final answer, that is the final answer of f of x comma y is equal to x bar plus y. So, we have reduced the expression for the given problem. Now, the given problem, if you want me to write in the terms of x and y, it was x bar y bar plus x bar y plus x y. So, this was the given expression and this is the reduced expression using the K map for a two variable. I will tell you once again, it is a two variable general K map for SOP. This we have implemented for an example taken and where 0, that is 0 and 0 both the variables, 1, 0 and 1 and 3, 1 and 1. How did I understand this? For which I need to remember the basic truth table that I have learnt in the logic gates as well as in the previous session of Boolean algebra, which gives me the ideology. We need to remember one thing, for a n variable K map there are 2 to the power of n possible outcomes. So, it is a two variable K map, 4 possible combinations. So, next when I go to a 3 variable K map, I will be having 8 possible combinations. So, this is a 2 variable K map. I will next go to a 3 variable K map. Here one more thing I want to highlight, if all the 4 boxes or rectangles or all the 4 squares are 1, then the answer is equal to 1. Maybe we would take one more example a little later and we would understand this particular concept. Now, let me go to the general K map for a 3 variable. So, general K map for a 3 variable in SOP, general K map for a 3 variable in SOP. I said 3 variables, how many combinations? 8 combinations, please understand. So, a 3 variable general K map x, y and z it is x bar x. Here please see here y bar z bar, y bar z, that is 0 0 0 1. We have the tendency of writing y z bar and y z, but if we write that, there will be a problem, for which I am writing it in this way, y z and y z bar. I will tell you the reason. Please see here y bar z bar and y bar z. How many bits are changing? Only one bit, that is z bar is changing to z. If you take the second and the third, y bar z and y z, how many bits are changing? Only one bit, that is y bar is changing to y, z remains constant. And here if I had written instead of y z, if I had written y z bar, remember nothing is constant, and when nothing is constant, I will not be able to take the common term out, and reduction of expression will be difficult. And that is why when you write a K-map, please understand that there is a slight change in which we write. So, it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So, here it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Please understand that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now, to write the combination here, x bar y bar z bar, x bar y bar z. I go to the last square in the first row, that is x bar y z bar x bar y z. Coming to the fourth, x y bar z bar x y bar z. The last square, x y z bar x y z. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So, this is a general K map for a 3 variable. If you want me to write a same K map for the numbers, that is x, y and z, that is x bar x, y bar z bar, y bar z, y z and y z bar. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the map. Let me take an example. So, let me take f of a, b, c is equal to summation of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. I write the K map here. The variable is not x, y, z now, a, b and c. A bar a, b bar c bar, b bar c, b c and b c bar. Okay. Now, 0. So, I put 1 here, next is 3, 5, 4, 5, here it is 6 and 7. Okay. Now, here if you see, what am I to or how am I to map? I can go for how many pairs? 1 pair, 2 pairs, almost 4 pairs, but we need to understand we have to go for maximum pairing in a K-map, and that is where the next type, the next pairing of 4 bits comes into picture. And when I map 4 bits, I go for the maximum. I am not able to go for the next 4 bit, I am not able to go for the next 4 bit. So, what do? I go for the pair. So, I have 2 pairs and 1 quad, let me write it, 2 pairs and 1 quad. So, first let me go for quad 1, Q I will call it as quad 1. Look at the now variables, it is A bar, B bar, C plus A bar B C plus A B bar C plus A B C. This is for the quad, and which is equal to, if you see here, A bar B bar C and A bar B bar B C, A bar C is common, B plus B bar plus, if you take this, A bar B C and A B C, A and C is common, again it is B plus B bar. Applying the complementary theorem, I am getting the answer as A bar C plus A C. C is common, A plus A bar, which is equal to C. So, the answer of the first quad is C. The answer of the first quad is C. I have taken A bar B bar C, A bar B C, A B bar C, A B C, quad 4 bits, quad means 4 bits. Next, I have the pair, pair 1, that is A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C. Now, tell me which is common or constant. A bar B bar is, so A bar B bar, remove it, C plus C bar, apply the complementary law, A bar B bar dot 1, which is equal to A bar B bar. The next pair is here, that is pair 2, and what is pair 2? A B C A B C bar, A B C plus A B C bar, which is equal to A and B is common, C plus C bar, applying the complementary law, A B dot 1, which is equal to A and B. Writing the final expression for the K map, I will get f of A B C equal to, first C from the quad, A bar B, A bar B bar from the first pair and A B from the second pair. Are we able to minimize still? No. Please understand, from the K map what we get, an expression is almost final reduced one. Further reduction is not possible. So, this is an example wherein we have seen a 3 variable K map, wherein I also introduced to you to the pairing of a quad, Previously we saw pair. So, quad is for 4 bits, pair is for 2 bits. Next, we will go for a 4 variable K-map. We will go for a 4 variable K-map. Now, 4 variable, how many combination? 2 to the power of 4. How many combination? Almost 16, 0 to 15, 16 combinations. So, let me go for a 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. We are learning on SOP. So, keep it in mind. So, for a 4 variable K-map, let me draw the general K-map. 4 variable means, remember, there will be 4 literals or 4 variables. So, I could take as W, X, Y, Z or A, B, C, D, anything. Right now, I will take maybe W, X, Y, Z. So, W and X, Y, Z. So, first I write W bar, X bar, W bar X. Remember what I told in the 3 variable K-map? I cannot write W X bar here because at a time only one bit has to be changed. So, it is W X and W X bar. Here it is Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, Y Z and Y Z bar. Okay. Now, first A is nothing but I write W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z, W bar, X bar, Y, Z bar, W bar, X bar, Y, Z. Next, 4 W bar X, Y bar, Z bar, W bar X, Y bar, Z, W bar X, Y, Z bar, W bar X, Y, Z. Now, here you please understand we are not continuing here, but it is the next row because here the remaining combination, that is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will come here, not thus. So, W X bar, Y bar, Z bar, W X bar, Y bar, Z, W X bar, Y, Z bar, W X bar, Y, Z. So, W X bar, Y bar, Z bar, W X bar, Y bar, Z, W X bar, Y, Z bar, W X bar, Y, Z. Here W X, Y bar, Z bar, w x y bar z, w x y z bar, w x y z. To write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. To write it little elaborately with the numbers w x, y and z, w bar x bar, w bar x, w x and w x bar, y bar z bar, y bar z, y z and y z bar, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So, this is the general K-map for a 4 variable along with the numbers. Now, let me take an example for a 4 variable K-map. Now, please understand, in a 4 variable K-map, the mapping could be a pair, a quad and an octet. Now, which I have not introduced to you in a 3 variable K-map. Octet I am introducing to you in a 4 variable K-map. So, what do you mean by an octet? Octet, octal, octagonal, 8. So, you would have heard about the terms octal in a number system with the base is 8, octagonal means 8 sides. So, oct or octet refers to 8 bits, whereas quad refers to 4 bits, pair refers to 2 bits. Okay, let me take an example. F of A, B, C, D is equal to summation of say 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. Now, I draw the K-map. Remember one more thing, summation is a symbol which signifies it is SOP. Okay, let me draw the K-map. That is, I have taken AB and CD, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar and AB, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D bar and C, D. Let me map. It is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. Fine. So, now here please understand that okay. Now, I have several possibilities here. The first possibility is nothing but, when you see here, I can map for 3 quads, first quad, second quad, third quad. But I have to go for the best of the mapping, where I am introducing to you something known as a role map, wherein I will now 4 bits at this side, 4 bits at this side. When I roll the map, I will get a octet. I repeat, 4 bits and 4 bits on the sides. When I roll the map, I will get an octet. Next, I can go for pair. Instead of that, the maximum grouping is nothing but quad. So, I will go for a quad, that is quad 1, quad 2, now here there is a possibility of going for a quad, but here it will be overlapping. Here it will be an overlapping. So, here in this case, so first is octet 1. Now, octet, the combination is big, where I have full these 4 and this 4 map together becomes an octet. So, please, when you map an octet, see the sides. Now, here in this case, what is the, when you map here, first see here C bar D bar and C D bar, these are the 2 things you have to see, C bar D bar and C D bar, because when you map it, it becomes one octet, and you have here C bar D bar, you have here C D bar. So, C bar D bar and C D bar, I will not be writing all the combinations like I wrote in the previous examples, because it will be a lengthier, but instead of that I will teach you how do you write the simplified expression without writing all the terms outside. So, please see these 2, C bar D bar and C D bar, which is common here, which is common here, D bar is common, see, C bar D bar C D bar, D bar is constant, C bar has changed to C. So, whichever expression C bar plus C is equal to 1, so remove it, only D bar is there. So, D bar becomes the answer for octet. I am not written all the terms, I am telling you again how did I do this, how did I get D bar. I saw C bar D bar, because C bar D bar is common for all octet and C D bar is common. I took out the common term, that is D bar, and the term that changed will be equal to 1 by applying the complementary law. Next, here in this case, for the same octet, A bar B bar A bar B, A bar A B A B bar A. So, A bar plus A is equal to again 1. So, this whole thing will be cancelled. So, only from the octet we get one variable, that is D bar. Coming to the quad Q1, which is equal to, let me take this as Q1, these 4 squares, these 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4. So, A bar, B bar, B, which is constant? A bar. So, write A bar. Here C bar, D, only these 4, look into only these 4 squares, C bar, D bar, C, D, which is constant? Which is constant? C bar, D bar, C bar, D, which is constant here? It is C bar. So, this is the answer for quad 1. Again I am telling, I have taken the first 4 squares. I looked first at the first 2 variables, that is A bar, B bar and A bar, B. A bar is constant, I note it, B bar dot B change, its B bar dot B is equal to 1. So, it is B bar plus B is equal to 1. So, it gets cancelled, or in other words, when we apply the theorem, the answer will become equal to 1. And here C bar is constant, D bar plus D will be again equal to 1. So, A bar, C bar, Q2, quad 2. I take this, these 4 end, that is I have AB and AB bar, AB and AB bar where A is common, and here CD and CD bar, C is common. Q3, this entire row last is nothing but A B bar is the answer, because here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C bar is constant, CD and CD bar, C is constant, C bar plus C is equal to 1. So, entire things gets cancelled, or entire thing becomes is equal to 1. So, the answer is A B bar. And next we have the answer to be written. So, 1 quad, second quad, third quad and 1 octet. So, the final expression will be f of A B C D is equal to D bar plus A bar C bar plus AC plus AB bar. AB bar from this quad 3, AC from quad 2 and A bar C bar from quad 1. Can I further reduce anywhere? Nothing is common. Maybe you could see AC and AB, but nothing is common. In other words, this is the final expression. So, this is the 4 variable K map, where I have introduced to you one new pair known as octet as well as roll map. When I map the when I roll the map, it will be able to identify and help me to reduce the expression. Okay. Let me go to the reduction rule. What are the different reduction rule? I told you, when I have 2 variables together, I can pair it, 2 variables together, it is nothing but pair, 4 variables is quad, 8 variables is an octet. So, pairing could be anywhere possible where you see, but remember, diagonal pairing is not possible, it is wrong. I cannot pair in this way. If you want me to draw a K map, I will just show you. I cannot map in a diagonal way. It should be either vertical straight or horizontal straight. Mapping diagonal is wrong. So, to draw a simple K map, A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar and A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D bar and C, D. Now, I will just write few numbers or min terms to show you the pairing. Let me put 1, 1, 1. Here I could go for one octet because I have all 8 pairs together. I could go for one quad. I could go for one pair. Now, that pair I can go here, or instead of this you could do the rolling. Now, suppose in this case rolling is not possible or pair, you cannot pair this way. This way pairing is totally wrong. You cannot pair it diagonally, it is totally wrong. You can only pair it either vertical or horizontal. Okay. So, 2 literals pair, 3 and then you have 4 for quad and 8 for octet. So, octet removes 3 variables and gives you 1 variable as the output, whereas quad removes, I am talking in a 4 variable K map, whereas quad removes 2 variables and gives you 2 variable output, and pair gives you, removes only a variable and gives you almost a 3 variable output for a 4 variable K map. Now, something as role map, last thing in this I will like to tell you. Role map I have told you that time, but few of the instances I will tell you. In the role map, I have a K map say I have here in this case 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. This is the map. I cannot pair anywhere, but I can roll the map and I can pair it, that is this way, this way. These two becomes a pair and this to become a pair when I roll the map. The second possibility for roll map, becomes a quad, but I can roll it Now, when I roll map like this, I have to see these two end columns, C bar D bar, I am talking about this one, C bar D bar and C D bar, which is constant here, D bar. So, quad 1 D bar and these two A B bar and A. So, A is constant. Quad 2, these two, first row and second row, second and third column. So, it is when I roll the map like this, it is A B bar last and A bar B bar. So, which is constant here? B bar. So, B bar and see these two columns C bar D and C D, which is constant D. So, when I roll the map in this way, I will be able to get the answer. One more maybe thing where you can see is in roll map possibility. One more possibility. One more possibility for roll map, that is this way. So, when you roll this, the ends, all the, when you map it and roll it, you will get 1 and 1. So, this will come here and this will be like 1 and 1 here, and when you roll it, it will be a quad. So, the answer here is you need to see the first and the last column, first and the last row, that is A bar B bar and A B bar. So, when I write A bar B bar and A B bar, what is constant? It is B bar. C bar D bar and C D bar, it is D bar. So, answer is D bar. So, I repeat, please see the first and the last column and first and the last row. This is roll map, I have used roll map concept. One more thing where you will come across is using roll map I can go for an octet. Using roll map I can go for an octet. So, this is the first row and the last row. When I map, when I roll it, I will get the octet. Now, it is quad, but when I roll it, I will get an octet. The answer will be the first row and the last row. This all will get cancelled because C bar D bar, C bar D, C bar is common, C bar C D and C D bar, C is common, C bar plus C is equal to 1. So, it gets cancelled. Here it is A bar B and A B bar, A bar B bar and A B bar. The answer will be for octet 1 equal to B bar. I repeat, it is A bar B bar, A B bar, A bar B bar, A B bar. The answer is B bar. So, this is regarding the roll map. This is regarding the, now overlapping rules or overlapping, how is it possible? Overlapping means the same one can be encircled more than once. That time maybe if I have a 1 year, I can encircle or I can group it. Suppose we have a K map maybe which has more than once to be encircled. Then we need to see whether it is being repeated without any need for the repetition. Only in that case it is wrong, but otherwise if there is a need for the repetition or mapping it again and reducing the expression, we can go for it, Suppose what we about the redundant groups. So, in that case, for example, here in this K map, I will redraw the K map. And I have 1 and 1, 1 and 1. What am I to do? I can go for 2 pairs, that is the right method of mapping. But if I go for 3 pairs, then it will be extra which is not required. For example, this one pair and this one pair will serve the purpose. But again, if I go for mapping of like this, now this is not required. So, we need to see whether there is a necessity of mapping, only then we can map. Otherwise, let us avoid mapping for redundancy. So, first what you need to do, prepare the truth table with a given function. So, for example, if a function is given f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation of say 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So, this is a given problem for a 4 variable K map. First prepare the truth table for that, if you are not so familiar with the table. Next, draw an empty K map like this. Then map the given function, wherever it is necessary, please put 1 in SOP, we mark as 1. Then you can encircle the number of pairs or quads or octet according to the criteria or according to the format what you get. You might get 4 quads or you might get 2 quads, 1 pair, 1 octet, it depends on the problem what you get. Once it is done, remove the redundant group if there is any, and then write the reduced expression for all the group by adding plus sign. The last example you would have seen, maybe I wrote f of a, b, c, d is equal to something like d bar plus a bar, b bar plus a b. So, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, add plus in between because it is sum of products. So, next we will look at a problem, one problem again, then maybe we would go for the product of sum. So, now having learned all the types of K map, that is 2 variable K map, 3 variable K map and 4 variable K map. Two, 7, 8, 10, 15. 10 comma 15. So, first if you are not so familiar with the combination, you can go with the truth table, otherwise first to draw an empty K map. The variables is A, B and C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. Look at the squares where and all you need to allot. How you can understand? By looking at the combination of the function. So, 0 in the 0th here, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, put 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing is there, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, 8, you have 9 is not there, 10, then we have 15. So, this is the given K map. I have two options. I can go for roll map of 3 pairs, or I can go for roll map of 1 quad and 1 pair. I will go for that. 1 quad so, where I need to look the first 2 rows, I mean the first and the last row, that is A bar, B bar and A, B bar. The answer for first quad will be B bar, and here you see that everything gets cancelled, that is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C bar is constant, and C D and C D bar, C bar plus C is equal to 1, it gets. So, B bar dot 1 which is equal to B bar, and next I have 1 pair. See this second row, third column, third row, third column. First see the second row and third row, A bar B and A B, which is constant? B. So, for the pair 1 it is B, and C D is common for both C D. So, the B C D. So, the final expression is B bar plus B C D. B bar plus B C D is the answer. So, now let us go for the product of sum, the final topic. Please understand, till now I was talking about SOP, and there I highlighted that I should be inputting, or I should be writing 1 in place wherever the squares I need to input. But for the POS, so K map for POS, what is the changes I need to do? You know that POS is nothing but product of sum, wherein the K map for product of sum is little different. The K map for product of sum is little different. Quickly I will go through that. For the two variable K map, x and y, x bar x, y bar y. What you need to remember is one thing, that is x is equal to 0 and x bar is equal to 1 for POS, product of sum. So, 0 0 0 0 is x bar 0 0 is x plus y. 0 1 is x plus y bar. 0 then 1 0 is x bar plus y, and 1 1 is x bar plus y bar. Just the opposite, x means here it is 0, x bar means here it is 1. So, it is x plus y, that is 0 0, x plus y bar 0 1, x bar plus y 0 1 0, and x bar y bar 1 1. So, writing in terms x and y, x x bar, y y bar, it is 0 1 2 and 3. Here I write zeros instead of 1. In SOP we plot is 1, but in POS we plot zeros. The number, if you want me to write, it is 0 1 2 3. Okay. And here also when I am mapping, either I can go for 2 variable, that is pair, or maximum 4 variable squad. Next, for 3 variable, 3 variable general K map, that is x, y and z, x and x bar. Now, here I have y plus z, y plus z bar, y bar plus z, y bar plus z bar. I repeat, it is y plus z, y plus z bar, y bar plus z and y bar plus z bar. So, writing general x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z bar, x plus y bar plus y bar, and here x bar plus y plus z, x bar plus y plus z bar, x bar plus y bar plus z, x bar plus y bar plus z bar. This is the combination, of a 3 variable K map for POS, So, writing the same, if you want me to write in general for the numbers x, y, z, that is x, x bar, y plus z, y plus z bar, y bar plus z and y bar plus z bar. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, next I go for the 4 variable K map in a POS, 4 variable K map for a POS. It is x plus y, w plus x, y plus z. Yes, and here w plus x, w plus x bar, w bar plus x and w bar plus x bar. It is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Y plus z, y plus z bar, y bar plus z and y bar plus z bar. So, it is w plus x plus y plus z, w plus x plus y plus z bar, w plus x plus y bar plus z, w plus x plus y bar plus z bar. 0 1 2 3. W plus x bar plus y plus z 4, w plus x bar plus y plus z bar, w plus x plus y bar plus z and w plus x plus y bar plus z bar. W plus x z bar plus y plus z, w bar plus x bar plus y plus z bar, w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z and w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar. So, this is a 4 variable K map for POS. Writing in general, w plus x, y plus z, so this is a general K map for a 4 variable POS. Remember, in POS everywhere we are plotting not 1, but it is 0. So, same procedure, prepare the truth table for the given. If you are finding difficult, then go for an empty K map, plot the terms in the variable or in the allotted square that is been specified by the function, and then while you are specifying enter zeros, please understand not 1, in case of SOP it is 1, here it is 0, and then we have nothing but removing all the redundant, and at last when you write the answer, here we added, here we have to multiply. For example, I got the answer f of a b c d is equal to A plus B into C. This is the final answer, assume it. So, this will be here into should be right, into should be written when you are writing the final expression, when you are writing the final expression. So, for a 4 variable POS, if at all you want me to take an example, I will take a example, and by this example we would wind up the session on K maps. So, once again the process is same. First draw the empty K map, plot the location that are given, and then go for mapping of zeros. So, f of A, B, C, D is equal to, here it is not summation, but it is pi. That is the difference, you have to keep it in mind. Whereas, in the SOP it is summation, here it is pi of 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15. A plus B, C plus D, A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B and A bar plus B bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D, C plus D bar and C bar plus D bar. Zero, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14 and 15. Zero, 2, yeah. So, here in this case I go for an roll map of octet, 4 bits grouped in 2 sites. So, octet 1, please see there first column and the last column, because here everything gets cancelled, that is A plus B, A plus B bar, A is common, A plus B bar, A bar plus B, A bar is common, A dot A bar is equal to 0. So, entire gets cancelled here, and here it is C plus D, C plus D and C plus D, C bar plus D. So, D is the expression, and here I cannot go for an quad, I have to go for a pair. Let me go for a pair, pair 1, pair 2 and pair 3. So, pair 1, this is pair 1, the last row A bar plus B, that is common, I write it like that only. Here C plus D and C plus D bar, C is common. So, plus C, D and D bar gets cancelled. Pair 2, this is the pair, here this one, that is a third row, third and fourth column. A bar plus B bar is common, A bar plus B bar is common, plus C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D, C bar is constant, and pair 3, that is the first row, third and fourth column, the first row, third and fourth column, this one, pair 3, which is nothing but A plus B plus, which is common here, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D, C bar is common. So, the final expression f of D into A plus B plus C, A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This is the final expression for a K map of a 4 variable using POS. So, in the session we have learned a K map procedure to reduce an expression for SOP and POS, where we saw that 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K map for SOP, where we plotted 1, and for POS where we plotted zeros. The difference to be understood is x is equal to 1 and x bar is equal to 0 in SOP, x is equal to 0 and x bar is equal to 1 in POS, and that is the difference, and we have just seen the different K maps. One more major difference, in SOP it is summation, whereas in POS it is pi. So, this ends the session of the K map. Thank you.